Do you love hot chocolate, but you're on keto and you don't want all those extra carbs? Well, I've got a protein-packed, keto-friendly hot chocolate that you can enjoy. Let's go. The first thing you need to do is add in your favorite protein powder. Now, for obvious reasons, today I'm using chocolate, but if you don't have that, that's totally fine. You can use maybe a vanilla or a salted caramel. Just make sure it is keto friendly. That means no sugar, watch the carbohydrates, make sure it's keto friendly or it won't be a keto hot chocolate. Go ahead and add your Dutch processed cocoa powder into your shaker. And if you're not using a chocolatey-based protein powder, then make sure you add 2 teaspoons of cocoa powder instead of 1, just to really give it that chocolatey flavor. Now add about 1/4 cup of water into your shaker and shake it all up. Next, you're gonna heat up your heavy cream for about 30 seconds just to get rid of that chill, and then you're gonna pour your protein powder into your cream. Then give it a good whisk. Now boil about 3/4 cup of water and then pour it straight in, and then give it another whisk. Okay, we have our hot chocolate, but there's still one more ingredient. But before I tell you what it is, I need you to like this video, comment on this video if you have any future video suggestions for me, and subscribe to my channel. Okay, I've made you wait long enough. The last ingredient is whipped cream. Of course, you can't have hot chocolate without whipped cream. I'm sure it'll fit into your macros. You can do it, don't worry. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please remember to, like I said before, like this video, comment on this video, and subscribe to my channel. I hope you have a really great day. See you later.